I was managing big IT projects, sometimes working around the clock. I wanted a change, to be my own boss and do something I could believe in. So in 2011 I set up my workshop, Revolution Porsche. I still work hard, but this gives me a lot more satisfaction. What I love is being able to help people who haven't got the unlimited cash to enjoy having and driving their pride and joy. Digital marketing is one of the reasons I believe people come to us and stay with us. We were one of the first specialists to really use digital platforms and to be available online for customers outside of core hours. That's what's taken us from being a small, relatively latecomer to being up there with the biggest and the best in the UK. Customers often leave positive comments saying how much they trust us, and we've had some great reviews on both our website and social media. These days we send customers videos of the work we recommend for their car. This shows them we're not exaggerating anything, and it's helped me build trust and repeat business. And we've made the website a useful online resource that helps drivers find answers to common problems. That frees up my time and brings customers directly to us. My daughter was born the same month that we started the business. That was a busy time, but very rewarding. And look how we've grown. I like being busy, but even I need a bit of downtime now and again. This is my TRW true story. Why don't you tell yours?